Life at the bottom of the ocean is a mysterious and unexplored world. We have only just scratched the surface of what lies deep below the sea. From strange and wonderful creatures to legendary tales of giant monsters, the ocean floor is home to countless mysteries that humans have yet to solve. When sunlight cannot penetrate the deep water, a completely different world exists, with wonders that we cannot imagine. Have you ever wondered what is going on down there? How these creatures survive in the eternal darkness? Join us as we explore the mysterious life at the bottom of the ocean and the creatures we have never seen before. To unlock the hidden secrets of this world, let your imagination wander into the depths of the ocean and prepare for an exciting journey. First, journey to explore the deep ocean. Humans have long been fascinated by the sea, but it was not until the 20th century, with the development of diving technology and research equipment, that we were able to truly explore the secrets of the ocean floor. Submarines, autonomous diving robots, ROVs, and other advanced equipment have allowed scientists to access the deep sea floors, where the pressure is terrible and the temperature is almost freezing. The first discoveries of the sea floor opened up a new world full of surprises. At depths of thousands of meters, where people thought there was no life, scientists found strange creatures that survived in harsh conditions. These creatures not only survived, but also thrived, adapting to an environment that seemed impossible for life. 2. Mysterious creatures at the bottom of the ocean. Black dragonfish. The black arowana is one of the strangest creatures found in the deep sea. They have a long, slender body with fins that resemble sharp spikes. In particular, the black arowana possesses a special ability to glow in the dark, a phenomenon called bioluminescence. This light is not only to attract prey, but also to communicate with other species in the dark environment of the deep sea. Giant Stygiomedusa jellyfish. This jellyfish is one of the strangest creatures ever discovered in the deep sea. With a body length of up to 6 meters, Stygiomedusa has long, soft tentacles that drift gently in the water. They are usually found at depths of about 1,000 to 1,500 meters. The appearance of this jellyfish is like a scene from a science fiction movie, making people amazed at the richness and diversity of life in the deep sea. Sunfish, Mola mola. The sunfish, also known as the mola mola, is the largest bony fish in the world, weighing up to 2 tons. The strange thing about this fish is its body shape, a flat and round body without a long tail like normal fish. Mola mola mainly live in the deep sea, where they prey on giant jellyfish. Anglerfish. The anglerfish is one of the most terrifying and bizarre creatures living in the deep sea. With a body that can be considered ugly, razor-sharp teeth, and eyes that shine brightly in the dark, the anglerfish is truly a nightmare on the ocean floor. The most prominent feature of this species is the glowing fishing rod located right on its head, which is used to attract prey to come closer. When the prey is attracted by the light and approaches, the anglerfish will suddenly attack and swallow it. This fish lives at depths of 1,000 to 3,000 meters, where pressure and darkness become formidable enemies for any creature. Pelamis sea snake. The Pelamis sea snake, also known as the thick-beaked sea snake, is one of the most venomous and brightly colored sea snakes. They are commonly found in tropical and subtropical waters, especially in the Indian and Pacific Oceans. With a long, thin body and pale green scales, the Pelamis sea snake is a skillful predator, specializing in small fish and crustaceans. However, what is remarkable about this sea snake is not only its hunting ability, but also its extremely potent venom, which can be fatal to humans in just a few minutes, if not treated promptly. Dumbo octopus. The Dumbo octopus is an extremely cute and unusual species of octopus that lives at depths of about 3,000 to 4,000 meters below sea level. The name of this species is inspired by the large ears that resemble the ears of Dumbo the elephant in the famous Disney cartoon. These ears are actually fins, which help the Dumbo octopus move smoothly through the water. This octopus has a colorful color, ranging from pink to orange and red, and uses its tentacles to catch small crustaceans and other sea creatures. Fangtooth. Fangtooth, also known as the fangtooth, is one of the most ferocious-looking fish in the sea. With large and sharp teeth compared to its small body size, this fish is truly terrifying. They usually live at depths of about 5,000 meters, where light cannot penetrate and the temperature is almost freezing. Fangtooth hunts by using its sharp teeth to tear apart its prey. Strangely enough, despite its ferocious appearance, Fangtooth is one of the most docile fish in the sea, often preyed upon by other fish. Mantis shrimp. Mantis shrimp are some of the most powerful sea creatures in the animal kingdom. They use their front legs like hammers to attack prey or enemies. With a punch that can crack a snail's shell and cause serious damage, mantis shrimp are truly one of the most formidable predators on the seafloor. They also have a unique visual system that allows them to see a wider range of colors than humans, including ultraviolet light. This helps mantis shrimp locate prey and avoid predators in the dark environments of the deep sea. Giant tube worms. Giant tube worms are a special type of creature that lives around hydrothermal vents where temperatures can reach hundreds of degrees Celsius. These vents release minerals and chemicals from the ground, creating a harsh but potentially fertile habitat for creatures like tube worms. Giant tube worms can grow up to 2.4 meters and live by absorbing chemicals from their tubes without the need for sunlight. This makes them one of the strangest and most unique creatures on the seabed. 3. Biological life and survival skills. Under the extremely high pressure of seawater and in a dark environment, life on the ocean floor requires creatures to develop unique survival skills. Many species have bodies that glow to attract prey or to warn off predators. This bioluminescence is not only a means of survival, but also a factor in maintaining balance in deep-sea ecosystems. Many other species have developed special hunting skills. For example, the black dragonfish has the ability to open its jaws wide to swallow prey larger than its body size. Other creatures, like the Stygiomedusa jellyfish, use their long, venomous tentacles to easily grab prey in pitch-black environments. These creatures are not only scary or strange, but they also help us better understand the life and adaptation of creatures in harsh environments. Through discoveries and research, we not only find new biodiversity, but also expand our knowledge of how life develops and survives on Earth. Along with the creatures that have been described, the deep ocean still holds countless mysteries waiting to be discovered. Every time humans go one step further into the deep sea, we make more amazing discoveries about the underwater world. Stories about these strange creatures not only enrich our imagination, but also urge us to explore and learn more about the wonderful blue planet we live on. 4. Mysterious creatures. Throughout history, people have told countless stories about strange creatures in the deep sea. From stories of giant sea monsters, such as the Kraken, to rumors of giant fish that can swallow ships. Although many of these stories are just products of the imagination, the existence of strange creatures in the deep sea is truly an endless source of inspiration for mysterious stories. One of the most famous stories about the ocean is the myth of the Kraken, a giant sea creature that is said to lurk in the depths of the ocean. According to Norse legend, the Kraken was enormous in size, large enough to sink an entire ship with its powerful tentacles. This creature was described as being able to create underwater tornadoes when it emerged from the depths, causing destruction and terror for sailors. Although the Kraken is considered a myth, it is undeniable that there are many giant creatures in the sea, such as giant squid, that have been encountered and recorded by humans. There are many stories of sailors, fishermen, or divers who have claimed to see creatures that look like mermen in the water. One famous story is from the 16th century, when Spanish sailors reported seeing creatures that looked like humans, but had fishtails swimming around their boats. Whether these stories are true or not remains a mystery, but it is possible that the witnesses saw some kind of marine animal and mistook them for mythical creatures. Modern scientists believe that these stories may have been due to misunderstandings when seeing species such as seals, dugongs, or even large, strange-looking fish. One of the most mysterious stories involving the ocean is the disappearance of the SS Cyclops in 1918. The ship disappeared without a trace while traveling from Brazil to Baltimore with more than 300 passengers and crew. To this day, the exact cause of the disappearance is still unknown, and many theories have been put forward, including an attack by a giant sea creature or the ship being caught in a mysterious underwater vortex. The area where the SS Cyclops disappeared later became part of the Bermuda Triangle, one of the world's most famous areas for mysterious disappearances at sea. The bathyscaphe Trieste was a submarine that reached an incredible depth of 10,916 meters below sea level in the Challenger Deep, the deepest part of the Mariana Trench, in 1960. During this journey, explorers Don Walsh and Jacques Picard saw things that no one had ever seen before. At depths where the water pressure could crush steel, they discovered that there were still living marine creatures, including mollusks and crustaceans. These discoveries challenged what we thought was possible about life on Earth, proving that even in the most extreme conditions, life can still exist. Another story involving deep ocean moths is the discovery of cenotes in the Yucatan Peninsula, Mexico. Cenotes are deep underground holes that are formed when underground caverns collapse and become flooded. In these holes, archaeologists have found human skeletons and artifacts dating back thousands of years, suggesting that cenotes may have been used by the ancient Maya as places to make sacrifices to water gods. These discoveries open a new window into the religious and cultural practices of ancient civilizations and shed new light on how humans in the past interacted with deep-sea environments. Off the coast of Yonaguni, Japan, lies a strange underwater structure that some believe to be the remains of an ancient sunken city. Discovered in 1987 by a diver, the structure consists of steps and large stones that are completely natural in shape, but some archaeologists believe that it could be the remains of an unknown civilization. The story of Yonaguni has sparked a great debate among scientists and paranormal enthusiasts, and to this day, there is no definitive answer as to the origin of the structure. Although not an ocean, Scotland's Loch Ness is home to one of the world's most famous paranormal stories about a sea creature called Nessie. Since the first reported sighting of Nessie in 1933, hundreds of people have claimed to have seen the creature. Some believe that Nessie could be an ancient lizard that has survived for millions of years, while others believe that it is just a prank or a misunderstanding. Regardless, the story of Nessie has become an integral part of Scottish culture and is one of the most fascinating mysteries associated with the deep. These stories not only arouse people's curiosity and wonder about the unsolved mysteries of the ocean floor, but also remind us of the vastness and richness of the natural world. For many, these stories may be just myths or legends, but for others, they are proof of the existence of things that we still cannot fully understand. Through these stories, we further realize that the deep ocean is still one of the last frontiers that humans have not yet fully conquered, and every journey into the sea is an adventure full of challenges and potential for discovery. 5. Hypotheses and future explorations. Advances in science and technology have helped humans delve deeper into the mysteries of the ocean, but there are still many unanswered questions. Scientists believe that there are thousands, even millions, of species of creatures that have never been discovered by humans. Each new expedition has the potential to bring groundbreaking discoveries about deep-sea life. Some hypotheses suggest that these creatures may have evolved independently from terrestrial life, developing completely different biological characteristics. This opens the door to research on biodiversity and evolution in extreme environments. 6. The unexplored land of humanity. The life at the bottom of the ocean contains mysteries that science has yet to fully explain. Strange creatures, unbelievable natural phenomena, and mysterious stories have fascinated people for centuries. But despite the great progress we have made in exploring this world, there are still countless secrets waiting for us in the deep waters. If you have ever been fascinated by stories about the ocean or have had any special experiences, please do not hesitate to share with us. Perhaps your story will help expand the community's knowledge and contribute to solving the mysteries of the ocean. And if you have never had the opportunity, let your curiosity lead you to continue exploring. The ocean is always open, ready to welcome those who dare to enter and seek answers to humanity's endless questions. Discuss and share your thoughts on life at the bottom of the ocean. How many secrets do you think we have yet to discover? Join the conversation and continue this exciting journey of discovery with us.